Hello everyone. Today, I'd like to introduce you to a new WordPress plugin for the ListingPro theme. Our plugin allows you to add a QR code for each listing. Let's start with the installation. Our plugin installs like any other plugin directly in the Plugins section. In the Theme Options section, we have a new section called QR Code Options, where we can modify the background color, the writing color, the ability to make the background transparent, or choose a gradient color. You can simply update or publish a listing to generate a QR code automatically. You can have several different styles of QR code. Just modify the options to have a different QR code. For site users, we've also added the ability to customize or download QR codes for their listings directly from the ListingPro dashboard. A new QR code section has been added. After changing various options, users can preview their generated QR code and download it in different sizes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find our plugin useful. You can find it in our shop. Don't hesitate to contact us for your custom development needs.